Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out your battery and your key fob. This is actually for a Lexus RCF. I'm pretty sure these work on other models as well because it has a very similar type of setup. But anyways, whenever I get to my car, it has been warning me that my battery is getting very low. So I'll show you what that looks like really quick. Key battery low. So that means that the battery needs to be replaced in the key fob. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's really quick and simple. All right, let's get right into it. So if you have it in a little protective case, go ahead and take it out of that, and you should have something that looks like this. So the very first step is, you see this little button right here, you wanna push this so you can take out that key that slides out right here. So you press that. So the next thing you wanna do is, you wanna take the tip of this key and you wanna stick it right in between there, right where that little seam is at. So you stick it right in there so it pops the whole thing open halfway. And the piece that you want is right there. It's this battery right here. It's actually a CR2032 3-volt battery by Maxwell. I'm gonna check out the best deals on these batteries. I left the link down in the description below for you so you can buy a nice handful of them and you can stick them in your glove compartment box, so if for some reason your battery dies, you always have your battery ready to install into one of these key fobs. So the next step is, I like to use that same tip of the key right here, and I like to stick it right down in this little corner, and it should pop it right out if you just do a little twist. So it just popped the battery out, and that's all there is to it. To install everything back together is basically reverse installation. I'll do it for you real quick. Pretend this is a brand new battery. You're going to wedge it into this corner right here, just like that, and press down firmly downwards so it snaps into place. And as you can see here, it's nice and seated. And then you're just going to go ahead and take your cover, make sure that lines up perfectly here, and press down on one side, like so, and everything will snap into place. And you'll be able to tell everything is nice and seated properly because it'll be nice and tight. You see all the seams meet up properly there. And then you're gonna take your extra key and stick it back into that corner there, just like that. And you're all done. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.